In today's video, I will show you how to fix shower head insufficient water flow. The water output of the shower head is blocked. 99% of households can solve this problem with these 3 steps. The first step is to unscrew the hose and then turn on the water to test whether the water pressure is normal. That if the water pressure is very high, but the water sprayed out by hand is very small, it means that the inside is blocked by a scale, that we can soak it in vinegar for an hour and then use toothpaste to brush the holes on the surface to clean to easily unblock. Once the water outlet is unblocked, it will be fine. That if the water pressure feels obviously insufficient, you need to proceed to the second step to check whether the valve core is blocked by foreign objects. Close the main valve and adjust the valve decorative buckle. Use a 2.5 internal angle wrench to loosen the fixing screws in the handle, and the handle can be removed. Then unscrew the decorative cover counterclockwise and use a wrench to clamp the pressure cap. Rotate the pressure cap counterclockwise and the valve core can be taken out after the pressure cap is unscrewed. After using it for a long time, there will be scale in the valve core that we clean it inside and out, and then clean the 3 water outlets in the main body. You can use the water pressure of tap water to rinse it and then put it back as it is. Basically, more than 95% of the small problems for beginners can be solved here. The remaining 4% is the third step. Unscrew the 2 nuts of the shower head counterclockwise that we remove the nylon faucet from the wall. There will be a 6-point gasket in the nut. Some are equipped with filters. If you don't clear the cement and sand impurities in the early installation, or the garbage belt is stuck here, it will also cause small water flow. Clean the 2 sealing gaskets and then put them back as they are. Like and follow us to teach you how to solve 10 common shower problems at one time.